For me alone, me alone. Rebel your name, gyal, bad you bad. Rebel your name, gyal, bad you bad. Rebel your name, gyal, bad you bad.
First things first, we'll be using the Gotta Be Ultra Glued in the black bottle and this comb and brush duo. That's for your edges, which I found at the local beauty supply store for like $2 to $3. Now, what I'm doing here is basically slicking back my edges. I don't recommend using the Gotta Be glue, but I couldn't find my Dr. Merkel's edge control, so this is what I had to settle for. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take my blow dryer on the cool setting and just blow my edges dry so I'm able to place the wig down. You want to make sure it's completely dry and not tacky. Now the hair I will be putting on today is my wig. I made this from Unice hair, which is an AliExpress vendor. They have an AliExpress website and also their own website. But let me tell you, this hair is freaking amazing, and this hair has been washed like twice. This is like the 4th or 5th time I put it on the wig. The specs of the hair are two 14-inch bundles and a 14-inch frontal, which I basically bleached and plucked myself, and also I trimmed the bundles. I only spent $123 for the 2 bundles and frontal, and let me tell you guys, it's affordable and it is a freaking reasonable ass price, and the hair is amazing. So right here I'm basically just trying to line up the wig with my own hairline, and as you can see, I basically didn't cut the frontal like straight across, but I kind of made jagged edges so it could match my hairline. Now that I basically feel that the wig matches up with my hairline, I'm gonna go ahead and use my black container of the Gotta Be glue and also my Gotta Be glue freeze spray, because this lets the hair stay down for at least 3 to 4 days. So here I am once again using the blow dryer on the cool setting to make sure the glue is dried, but this time I'm making it a little tacky so the hair lays flawlessly. Now don't worry if you so happen to like put the hair down while the glue is not fully dried. It's okay. This is why I've used the black bottle of the Gotta Be glue, because with the white bottle you'll see like a whole bunch of white residue with the wig, but with this one you won't. So the only thing you'll have to do is when putting it down, when it's a little tacky over your lace, all you would have to do is basically use the blow dryer and blow it down. And don't worry, once you finish everything and tie your hair down with a scarf, whether it's silk or cotton, everything will blend like so beautiful, so you have nothing to worry about. I'm also using the rat tail comb to press down the frontal into the glue instead of using my fingers, because if it is tacky, my fingers will stick to the glue. I'm gonna go ahead and use some rubbing alcohol to take away some of the glue from off my forehead. So this is how the frontal should look after everything. I'm taking out all the clips out of my head, and I'm also going to be brushing out all the mousse, because the mousse held my hair back to like be really really stiff so the baby hairs won't get in there. And the reason why you see that shadow between my frontal and my forehead is because when using the rubbing alcohol, I rubbed off my makeup. So yeah, it will be best if you put your frontal on without makeup. But so I'm gonna go ahead and use this Itsmeniinii mousse to slick my baby hairs. You can use any mousse you desire, but that's the one I decided to go with because that's the one I bought. But the reason why I use mousse is because mousse makes the baby hair flow more to any way I desire. If you use like the freeze spray or the got to be glue, as soon as you put the got to be glue down and decide to use a toothbrush or one of these edge brushes and sweep your edges, they're gonna stick to one side. With the mousse allows the hair to flow any which way. And if you guys also notice, I didn't even cut my baby hairs because sometimes when I part my hair to like a side part or push it back or braid the side, I like my baby hairs to look like they're flowing into the wig instead of just a little piece just like sticking up on the sides. Now I'm going back in with the same black container of the got to be glue and putting it over my edges that are already made with the mousse. And I'm also gonna blow down my hair on the cool setting with the blow dryer so the baby hairs can stick. Now this usually makes the baby hairs last for like about 4 to 5 days along with the wig. And the more you use the freeze spray and the got to be glue by the edges, it helps to tack down your frontal. As you can see, I'm struggling to do this side. This side is always my weakness because both sides of my edges are actually different. And on top of that, I'm actually looking into a camera, not a mirror. So it might look weirded out to you guys, then again, it might look nice to me in the freaking camera's viewfinder. So don't worry, this is why you use mousse, because you can always go back and fix it 1,000,001 times. So once you feel like you have mastered your edges, go ahead and tie down your edges, preferably with a silk scarf. I couldn't find mine, so I stuck to my cotton bandana. And if you haven't put on your makeup, this is your time to put on your makeup now while this dries, or attempt to get ready or take a shower. And there you have it, guys. This is the final project. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
I feel me alone, me alone.